for today, celebrating the 78 years of her life. Maraming salamat to Jassy Sauce Catering and Services, Red 6 Pro Audio in making this event possible, and of course the DJ Mark Lalibuon. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have or take this moment to have a photo opportunity together with our birthday celebrants. Starting off with the cousins of our birthday celebrants. Sa mga igagaw ni Ma'am Gloria, please come here in front to have a photo opportunity. Mga igagaw ni Ma'am Gloria, please join the bandwagon for a photo opportunity.
Sayo meron tagtag.
Tagalit, baby. Yes.
Happy birthday, Ate Gloria. Salamat kayo sa tanang tatang muna ko o sa pagkain. Labi na sa simba. O sa tanan-tanan.
Sister girl, mom.
Sana oy.
Sa'yo magani.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Dinesa Baliano. Now, we would also want the family of Ma'am Gloria wants to extend the heartfelt gratitude to Ma'am Dinesa Baliano for always being there for Ma'am Gloria. Thank you so much, Ma'am, for your presence and for your life also. No, this is also another happy moment for everyone celebrating another year with Ma'am Gloria. And at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, before we'll have another mass dancing for us to enjoy the rest of the program, let's hear the words of gratitude or the thank you message coming from our celebrant herself. Ladies and gentlemen, isang masigabong palakpakan for Ma'am Gloria Morascalio.
Lingkod lang.
Thank you. You said.
Tanan akong
I'll give you the
cousins,
boss.
friends, relatives nga naari karon diri join sa akong birthday.
Once again, isang masigabong palakpakan for Ma'am Gloria Morascalio. All the time ako na-observe si Ma'am Gloria, always lagi siya nag-smile, which makes you beautiful, good kaayo, Ma'am Gloria, as always. Now, very radiant in beauty at her age. Glowing, radiant, and indeed a beautiful person. Now, at this point in time po, before we'll conclude our birthday celebration program, ako gihangi ang tanan sa pagpanindog, manindog kitang tanan, and dili ta dihamot tindog sa atong chair. Rather, we will display ourselves here sa atubangan. Dili ta, let's get off from our seats. Dili ta sa atubangan. Ma'am and sir po, please do the honor in transferring or placing yourselves here sa atubangan. Magsayaw-sayaw kita. Let's continue our party celebration by offering another dance craze honoring our birthday celebrant, Ma'am Gloria Morascalio. Yes, dili ta sa atubangan palihog. Dili sa tunga. O silang Rainier, silang Dana B, silang DJ Ludela, sa Ella, dili Ma'am Rom. O, Ma'am and sir, please do the honor po in dancing here. Let's have a mass dance together. Dito ta makatubang ka, Ma'am Gloria. Yay! Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to dance? I can hear you. Are you ready? Alright! Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for our dance craze. DJ, music please. Let's clap our hands together up above. Smile, ang hindi mo smile mo sa moto kasi gulang para yan, ha?
just wanna